They're on their way, and the launcher isn't even ready yet. I almost forgot the wings. I'm glad I checked my drawing. These wings will give you a dragon's eye view of Berk, without all the chafing from their skins. That is not a good thing to forget. Hang on! Yeah, this would be a great place to stop. You know, stretch your legs, smell the morning sulfur, take in the shrapnel. So refreshing. But all joking aside, we really can't be here when we get. Oh, not good. And I've flown with a lot of dragons. Anytime you want to head out into the skies over Berk, you just stop by. We'll be glad to fly with you again, won't we, Toothless? Yeah.